guys, it's Jen, and today we are doing some no makeup with some of my favorite C products. I love this no makeup movement because I'm a mom. I don't have a lot of time to get ready. The little doesn't let me get ready the way I used to. I was a girl who enjoyed like really putting my makeup on, giving myself 2 hours to put it on so I could just really get into it and really like shape my brows, contour the way I want, and make my lips look like as plump looking as I can. Those days are like so gone. I don't even know. They're never coming back. I feel like they're never coming back, but maybe down the road, who knows. But right now I'm loving this no makeup, so let's get ready. I'll show you some of my favorite products from the C collection that I'll be using. All right, for a nice glowing complexion, I'm gonna use a little bit of our C Radiance Drops. I just like to do literally like boom, boom, just like that, and rub it in. This is just very hydrating. It smells really refreshing too, but it makes your skin look like very luminous, and that's what I want. I have dry skin, and I just want that luminous, like French girl glow. So that's what I'm using this for. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using a couple drops of our C Water Foundation. I love this because it has SPF 15 in it. It's also water-based, so it's really hydrating. And I'm wearing the Fairlight Sand shade. I'm just gonna buff it in. I like how like lightweight this is because it doesn't feel like you're wearing makeup. It literally feels like my skin. And it just like gives it a nice overall finish. And I like the sand because I have more of like a yellow tone to my skin, and any redness that I do have, I feel like it offsets it and just makes it look more even and bright. Now for a natural lip and cheek color, I'm going to be applying a little bit of our Quench Lip Rescue in the shade Pink Sands. This is a limited edition shade, but I absolutely love it. I've been using this one. It's like a really pretty like nude rose. I'll pop some on so you guys can see. These are so hydrating, and they just tint your lips, so they leave them like with this really pretty like natural color that just looks like your color naturally. It doesn't look like you're wearing lipstick. I just love how that looks. And now I'm just gonna pop this right on my cheeks too, just like this. I kind of do like 3 swipes, and I feel like this just looks so natural because it matches my lip color and it leaves your cheeks with this beautiful glow. Alright, now because I'm all about the glow, I'm going to be using our C Twinkle Stick Highlighter in the shade Skylight. I love this. It's so cool. It's so easy to use. You just kind of swipe it on, or you can just apply with your fingertips, which is what I'm going to do. I just like to literally just put it on like that and kind of just tap it along the top of my cheekbones for a little extra glow. I also like to pop this right on my eyelids instead of using shadow, because I feel like it just gives a really nice like kind of glossed over, really hydrated eye look. And it's just really pretty. I'm all about like that, just natural French girl glow is what I like to call it. Now I'm going to top my lashes off with a couple coats of my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. This is my favorite mascara because it lengthens, curls, conditions, and volumizes my lashes. I'll show you. I just pop a couple swipes on and I'm out the door. Look how natural this looks. Look how it lifted, lengthened, and curled each and every last lash, but it doesn't look like clumpy or cakey. It just looks natural. Alright guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my easy and no makeup routine using my favorite C products. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about this routine or any questions about any Tarte products in general. I'm happy to help. Alright guys, until next time, take care.